keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now.
So for this first DIY, I'm going to use one of these Love Decor from Dollar Tree. I'm actually gonna just start by removing the heart because I really like the heart, and I'm gonna be using this for a separate DIY. You guys are gonna see it later on in this video. But I'm just going to take it off with some scissors. It wasn't actually hard to remove. It was just sticked on there with some hot glue. And I'm also going to take this I want to call this like this felted burlap decor. I really liked it, and I thought it would look really cute up by itself, like standing up by itself. So I just decided to cut it down to the size of the board. So I had to remove a lot of the red, which I didn't really mind because I didn't really like the red anyway. And now I'm just gonna add a generously amount of hot glue and just stick it to the board. I wasn't decided on cutting these little bows, the excess bow off, because I thought they were cute, but it just did not look right. It was just too long, so I just decided to cut it. I think it looks much better, much more cleaner. So yeah, you guys, this was a super easy DIY. For this next DIY, you're gonna need 4 of these flags. They're again from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to take this little straw or stick out of the flags, and they're pretty much gonna look like this, you guys. I cut the little tags on the top as well, so that won't, you know, become an issue later on. I'm also going to use this fleece scarf that I got for Christmas and the Christmas time at Dollar Tree. I really love buffalo print, you guys, so whenever I can get my hands on it or just use it, I will definitely use it, and I can finally use it today. So I am going to just fold this scarf in 4 to be able to cut 4 pieces of this flag. So it's pretty much to make it like the same size of the flag, but later on I will have to cut it just a little tiny bit just to be able to see some of the white fabric from the flag. So right now, this is the part where I'm telling you guys that I had to cut just a little bit on both sides. Actually, I just pretty much cut like maybe half an inch of fabric from each side. By the way, don't mind my scissors. These are the worst scissors ever. They were giving me such a hard time. I did nip about 2 inches from the top of the buffalo check fleece. I actually just wanted to make it to be very centered in the middle of the white fabric flag, so I did have to pretty much cut up I want to say 2 to 2.5 inches. I'm going to be using my hot glue gun for this. I'm going to just hot glue it to the flag. And here is where the heart comes back, you guys. I am going to be using more of these love signs that I got again from Dollar Tree. You guys saw this earlier in the video. I'm just going to remove the hearts from them. I think I actually got like 4 of these signs just to remove the heart on it. And yes, I am still going to be using the wood for something else for later DIYs. Lastly, I am just going to use some twine to get the banners together. So what I'm going to do is tie a knot at the end of the twine, and am going to be using the straw that was in there prior this project, and that's what's going to help us try to get the twine in between the other side of all the banners. So I really liked it, you guys. I hope you guys like the banner. Honestly, I think it's one of my favorite. I can use it year round. I'll just have to switch out like the centerpiece, like the heart. I could probably just change it to something different like for each season. I think it will be really cute. But lastly, this is my last DIY, you guys. I honestly was debating between putting it in this video because I lost some of the footage, so I just decided to let you guys see it because it was still a very cute DIY, and it was very easy to create. You're gonna need 3 of these hanging signs from Dollar Tree. The only thing I did was cut off the piece that had the hearts on it, and I just decided to use the same string that was holding it together and reuse it to hot glue it to the back. And honestly, you guys, it worked really well. I wanted to use the other pieces to stick it together, but it didn't work. I didn't have anything else stronger than my hot glue gun, so I just ended up using the string, and it actually came out really nice, you guys. I really love it, and that was pretty much it. It was really easy to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more DIYs, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.